Welcome back to the Scottish Tech YouTube channel, guys. So in this one we have 2 jobs to go to, and then we are going to the Christmas tractor and truck light run down in sort of Lockerbie area. So come along on the journey. We're going to pick up Greg. Greg's coming with us today. It is Saturday, so he's very kindly given up his Saturday to come along. But aye, let's go and get Greg and we will head through our first job. That's definitely seen better days. Now I'm just going to turn this on and get all the lights working and check that the LEDs are all fine, and hopefully we just need a lens. So there we go, the lights all working. We'll nip round to HGV Direct, which is just round the corner, and hopefully they can give us a taillight lens. That's us, just got our new sort of taillight lens, new hat, thanks to HGV Direct. So we'll head back round to this job now and get this taillight fitted. Unfortunately we didn't get any lenses, it's only the light itself we've got, so we're going to have to take this full light unit out and replace the full unit. That's us, new taillight on, all fitted, nice and secure. Light top back on. Let's go and give the customer the keys, and that's his truck back on the road. Right, that's us got that one back on the road, and I've got a confession to make. I was meant to be going to the RTX show in Glasgow with Greg, and I may have accidentally got the dates wrong. I did not realise it was during the week, I thought it was at the weekend, so we've got some time to waste now. We're going to go and grab some lunch before we go down to Crawford to go and look at this Mitsubishi Canter that has a headlight not working and an intermittent EML light, I believe. So aye, going to go and get some food. There we go, we came to Glasgow for it, so we're going to go to Nando's. As I just pulled up to Crawford now, so we're just under a mile away for this Canter. We need a headlight bulb and then check the engine management light that's on it. It was the one that we done like 2 videos ago with the turbo, but it's running fine. It's just that intermittent EML, it comes on and then goes straight back off, so it just wants to see what it is. So we'll get the gel test plugged in and aye, see what's wrong with it. That's us at the Canter. So this is the headlight that's not working. So we've got a H4 bulb to go in it. This is like your dip and your high beam, some sort of all in one felly. So up there, just need to get that bulb out, put this one in and then test it, and then we'll plug the gel testing. Now it didn't actually need a bulb, we took the bulb out and the bulb was alright, so the connections were a bit dirty. We've cleaned it up, chucked some petroleum jelly in there, and that has us all lit up nice and bright. Now to plug in the gel test. Now we've just carried out a scan and we found 2 faults for the turbocharger position sensor, value too low and value too high. So I suspect this is sort of in line with what we were checking the other day, and it does need the little actuator that's got the sensor in the bottom of it, but I'm just going to check the live data, see what that says, and then if so we'll have to come back and fit that valve. So that Canter has been running fine since we were at it the other day. We did order the turbo actuator that's got the sensor inside it, and I'm only passing this place going to Lockerbie, so we nipped back in and it definitely does need that. So that is a job for Monday. We're going to reattend that, get that actuator fixed, and then hopefully that'll be that done, and we'll not have any engine management lights after that. Well, just going past BTUC. If you watched the previous video you'll see we were actually in BTUC doing our job, so click up here and you'll see that video. Right, we're in Tesco car park and we're going to decorate. So we've got some little light up Santas, they're going inside. Tinsel, we're going to wrap the bonnet. What else have we got? We've got a wee Christmas tree. There's Christmas lights buried underneath all this as well, so we'll set you up somewhere and we'll try and get a time lapse of this and we'll fully do this up. There we go, fully decorated. Greg's idea for the bonnet. Trust me, putting Christmas lights around a vehicle is harder than it looks. Even got ourselves a wee Christmas tree. At the moment. That is us arrived at the meeting point, and we successfully have not lost anything. Some serious cool bits of kit here.
Alright, yeah. Yeah, it looks smart. Dodge. Yeah, I can flip your channels.
You're reckless.
Ah, you can't see me. That is the run now started. We're both all dressed up, following the traffic.
Oh, there's me, I just... Oh yeah. What the by the way? Oh, he stole it!
I went for fourth instead of second.
That last he was loving the Grinch. Grinch is
The
driving.
Grinch doesn't drive great.
The Grinch is driving.
You boys
Had someone take over, this would have been a nightmare. Sorry there, I just get winded in it.
What's that be?
Yeah.
That'd be one of them. There we go, so we've made it to Abington Services on the way back up, and we've actually not lost anything yet. Still fully wrapped, fully lit up. In fact, no, I lie, I've lost a bit of tinsel. But Christmas tree's still there. It's going well. And that is us, so we've just dropped Greg back off, and that is the end. That is amazing, that show sort of tractor run. It's all for a good cause, it's for a charity which I will put down here because I cannot remember the name of it off the top of my head, but thoroughly recommend it, and we will 100% be back next year. But aye, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to everybody that's seen us, waved, beeped, everything like that. And aye, until the next video, we'll see you later on. Please remember, subscribe, follow, hit the like button, comment and all the rest. But thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you later.